equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To maintain your Dyson HD hairdryer, start by unplugging it. Use a soft brush to clean the filter. This helps improve airflow and performance. Next, check for any visible damage. Look for cracks or loose screws. If you find any, it's best to consult a professional. Remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's open the device. Use a small screwdriver to remove the screws on the back. Keep them safe for reassembly. Carefully lift the cover to access the internal components. Wipe down any dust with a microfiber cloth. This ensures your dryer runs smoothly. After cleaning, inspect the wiring for any wear. If you notice anything unusual, it's time to call for help. With our service, you can enjoy pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Once everything is clean and checked, reassemble the dryer. Replace the screws and ensure everything is secure. Finally, plug it in and test it. If it's not working as expected, remember to get a quote before repair. Regular maintenance keeps your Dyson HD in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.